Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Anis Tech. Today my topic is bioenergy tech. Bioenergy tech, the study of this convergence of free energy into different form by living organisms is called bioenergy tech. It is energy. It is part of biology, physics, and chemistry concerned with the energy involved in making and breaking of chemical bonds found in the molecules of organisms. Bioenergy can also be defined as the study of energy relationships, energy transformations, and transmissions in living organisms. In living organisms, the energy is transformed through gain or loss of electrons during formations and breaking of chemical bonds. There are two chemical processes where it occurs known with the name of oxidations and reductions. The oxidation reactions are those reactions in which loss of electrons and proton occurs. These electrons carry energy from the molecules from where they release to the molecules where they added. Ions react with oxygens to form a chemical called in this reactions. Iron loses some which transfer to oxygen. In these reactions, Phe is oxygens and its transfer its energy to oxygen through electrons. On the other hand, reaction occurs called reactions with where gain of and occurs. This gain of also bring energy which is stored in our home, which store energy in batteries when electricity is all available from usual source of. When light energy is available, we capture it by solar panels. This energy of battery then is utilized at the time of power shutdown. Load shedding. Living organisms also have similar type of systems to store energy. This energy is stored in a special molecules called adenosine triphosphate. In oxygen's energy is liberated during any oxidation reactions. This energy is utilized by molecules called adenosine diphosphate to form a bond with phosphate. As a result, that ADP become energy of oxidation is now stored in ATP. The most of energy stored is more. This stored energy is ATP will be utilized by living organisms for performing any type of work. Transport of molecules against the concentrations gradient. The energy is now become liberated by breaking ATP molecules. So the formation of ATP is endergonic energy intake process, and breakdown of ATP is the exergonic energy liberating process. Photosynthesis is the fundamental process in which basic organic molecules and are produced for all biomolecules and living organisms. This process is carried out by chlorophyll containing organisms like plant, algae, some protozoans, and some bacteria. Word photo means light and synthesis means to prepare plants and utilize simple inorganic molecules carbon dioxide, CO2, and water H2O, which react by using light energy in the presence of pigments like chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygens. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the chloroplast of a plant cell. It captures a specific part of visible light only. Therefore, it is not a reactant but absorbs energy needed to drive the reactions. Photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy. As the fundamental molecules produced during photosynthesis, simple sugar, glucose utilize most of the metabolism of plants. Produce secondary products like starch and other Cellulosides. Plants also use carbohydrates to form fats, protein, and other chemicals like nucleic acid. This glucose is also used in respiration as reactant to produce energy for the metabolic of living organisms. Thanks for watching.